guys, what's up? Another unboxing. This time is a Grand Seiko. So this is, I think, one of the newest Grand Seiko. It's just been launched. So you can see the review and the number of blogs. This is the SBGM247G. This is the GMT with the stainless steel bezel. So once you take the white sleeves out of the box, you will see the Grand Seiko box, as you can see here. There is another box. This is all the sorts of the warranty cards. Nice rice paper. The manual, see there, and a very nice like a document-like stuff, stating the quality of the movement itself, something like a COSE kind of certification, but this is purely Seiko's. So let's do the unboxing. It comes with a nice socks-like thing. There is it. I will do a full review on this watch and a full video on how it wears on my wrist, as well as a video review on this. So look out for it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.